Dear students, Justina here. Today we will go through our second part of our first chapter, and in this module we can see about place value chart, expanded form, comparison of numbers and ordering numbers. Place value and expanded form. So already we have studied about place value chart, and we know that in two system of numeration are there. One is Indian system and the other is international system. So according to Indian system, while we are putting numbers, what we'll do is from the end we'll classify the number from last three a group, next to a group, next to a group, and next to a group, and so on. So last three places, that is ones, tens and hundreds together called ones, 1000 and 10,000 together called 1000, 1 lakh and 10 lakh together called lakhs, 1 crore and 10 crore together called crores, and then we'll write the numbers. So to write numbers in place value chart, only thing to remember is that we have to write the number from the end or from our right side. Ones place we'll write first, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. This order will follow to write the numbers in place value chart. Now place value and face value also we have studied. Place value of a number is nothing but in which position that number stands. That is considered as place value, and face value is nothing but the face value of a number is the same number itself. So we'll go through the examples. Example 1 we have already told, write numbers in place value chart. Now example 2, write the place value of 2 in the following numbers according to Indian system. So no need to write place value of all the numbers. They have asked you to write the place value of 2 in the following numbers. So check where 2 comes and write the place value of that 2. So in first question, 1 crore 24 lakhs 67,458, 2 is there in the 10th lakh position. 10 lakhs position 2 is there. So we can write it as 20 lakh inwards or 20 lakhs. Next question 2 is in crores place, so we can write it as 2 crore. 2 into 1 crore, so it will become 2 crore. Next 2 is in 10,000 place, so 2 into 10,000 will become 20,000. Next example, find the difference. Difference denote to find the difference denote to subtract the given number. So find the difference between place value and face value of 8 in the given number. So place value of 8 is 80 lakhs and face value of 8 is the number itself, so 8 itself. So the difference is just to subtract the number, so we will get the difference. Next we'll see expanded form. So the numbers can be expressed as sum of place values of its digits. That is called expanded form. So if some numbers are given, here one example is given, that is 5 crore 16 lakh 78,523. So while writing the expanded form, we need to know the place values of each number. So for 5 it is 5 crore, 1 it is 10 lakhs, 6 it is 6 lakhs, 7 70,000, 8 8,000, 5 500, 2 20, and 3. So we'll write it in a plus form, addition form, that is 5 crore plus 10 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 3. That is the expanded form. And same pattern the second number also, wherever 0 comes we can just denote it as 0 itself, or if you skip the place also no problem. Next, write in the short form. Expanded form is given, we need to write the numbers in short form. In that just go through question B. The first number, that is one 9-digit number is given, then 7-digit number is given. 8-digit number is not given in between, that is 90 crore is given, then 10 lakh is given. In between 9 and then in between crore place is not given, so it is considered as 0. So always check whether the digits are just decreasing by 1 in each place. Same way 20,000 is given and thousands place is not given. 4-digit number is not given. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, then 4 digit is not given, 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, 8 digit is not given, 9 digit number is given. So wherever the numbers are not given, that is considered as 0. Now we'll go through exercise 2. First question, to write the numbers in Indian place value chart. So draw place value chart, write the numbers from the end in the place value chart. B, place value of 6 in the following numbers according to Indian system. So find the place value of 6 alone in each questions. C, find the difference between place value and face value of 1 in the following numbers. So in each and every number, find the place value of 1 and face value of 1. Then find the difference of both. Subtract both answers, you will get the final answer. D, write in expanded form. Using plus, write all the numbers in expanded form. E is nothing. The expanded form is given. You need to write the numbers in the short form. Next we will see comparison of numbers. Comparison of two numbers is nothing but we are just identify among the given numbers which is greater or which is smaller. So first of all, while comparing the numbers, what we will do is we will identify by counting the number of digits. So here two numbers are given, an 8-digit number and a 7-digit number. So it's sure that the 8-digit number will be greater than the 7-digit number. Next, a 6-digit number and a 7-digit number is given. So 6-digit number is lesser than 7-digit number. So by counting the number of digits, we can say that the number with the greater number of digits will have the greater value. Now suppose if the two given numbers are of equal number of digits, then what we will do? Then what we do is from our left hand side onwards, we will compare the numbers. Each places we will compare and we will find out which number is greater or which number is smaller. So we will go through the examples. Here we need to find the greatest number among two given numbers. Two numbers are of same number of digits. So what we will do is we will write one number below the other. And then we will compare each places from our left side onwards. So here the numbers given are 18 crore, 76 lakh, 37,452 and 18 crore, 73 lakh, 89,786. So once we have written one by one, we can see that the first three digits are same in both the numbers. And in lakhs place, one is 6 and the other is 3. So we know that 6 is greater than 3. So the number which contains that 6 in lakhs place, that number will be the greatest number and the other will be the smaller number. Example 2 also same way. Here two numbers are given, both of same number of digits. 8-digit numbers both are. So now while comparing one by one, we can see that first four numbers are same in both the numbers. Then fifth place, one is 6 and the other is 1. So we need to find the smaller number. So wherever 1 comes, that number will be the smaller number compared to the other number. So we can write the numbers in less than form. The smaller number, that is less than the bigger one. Next we will see what is ordering numbers. Ordering the numbers is nothing but it is something same like comparison of numbers. So in comparison of numbers, we compare the given two digits to find which is greater or which is smaller. In ordering numbers, two or more numbers will be given. We will arrange that numbers either in ascending order or descending order. So we know what is ascending and descending order. Ascending order is nothing but writing the numbers from the smallest to the biggest, and descending order is writing the numbers from biggest to the smallest. So here we will go through the examples. First example is 4 numbers are given. We need to arrange that numbers in ascending order. So ascending order means from smallest to the biggest. So here first As like in comparison of numbers, we'll check the number of digits in each number. So here 3 8-digit numbers are given and one is a 9-digit number. So the 9-digit number will be the greater number. We can keep it aside, and the other 3 numbers are of same number of digits, that is 8-digit numbers. We will write one below the other to compare which is the smallest and which is the greatest. So while looking the numbers, we can see that the first digit is same in all the 3 numbers. So we will go to the second place. In the second place, all are different numbers. So what we will do is we'll arrange them in ascending order. That is 4, one is 5, one is 4, and the other is 7. So 4 will be the smallest one. So the number contains 4 in the second place. That is the smallest one. 5 in the second place will be the next greatest one, and 7 in the second place will be the next greatest one. So we can arrange the number like that. Here 4 less than, 5 less than, 7. So we can arrange the number in same pattern itself. So 6 crore 47 lakh 58,439 will be the smallest number, and the next greatest will be 6 crore 54 lakh 78,439, and the next greatest is 6 crore 74 lakh 53,849, and the last number will be that 9-digit number, that is 76 crore 45 lakh 48,933. So like this, using this pattern, we will arrange the numbers in ascending order. Next, in example 2, 4 numbers are given. We need to write the numbers in descending order. So while checking the number of digits, we can see that one is an 8-digit number and the others are 9-digit numbers. So that 8-digit number will be the smallest number, the number which we need to write at the end. And then 9-digit numbers, while we are comparing, we know that the first digit itself for one number it is 2, and the other 2 numbers it is 1. So the number which contains 2 on the first place will be the greatest number. And comparing the other 2 numbers, we can see that first place is same and the second place, one is 6 and the other is 4. So the number contains 6 on the second place will be the second greater number. So while arranging the numbers, we will arrange the greatest one first, second greatest, and then next and last the smallest number. Now example 3. Here write the greatest and smallest 9-digit number that can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 without repeating the digits. So here 9 digits are given, 0 to 8. We need to arrange that numbers in such a way that we need to get the greatest 9-digit number and a smallest 9-digit number. So to get the greatest 9-digit number, it is easy. We need to arrange the given numbers in descending order, because we always will compare from the first place onwards. So the first place should be the greatest number. So we will arrange the numbers in descending order and we will write the numbers just like that. That is 8765432110. That will be the greatest 9-digit number. Now to get the smallest 9-digit number, if we arrange the given numbers in ascending order, then the number will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But if 0 comes first, we won't consider it as a digit. The number will form only a 8-digit number, because if 0 comes first, there won't be any value for that 0. So what we will do is, we will give 0 always in the second place. So the number will be 1, 0, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll go through exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with greater than or less than. Identify which is the greater and which is the smallest and give symbols in as necessary. Tick the greatest number and cross out the smallest number. That is also easy. You need to tick the greatest number and cross out the smallest one. Now write in ascending order from the smallest to first. Find which is the greatest and which is the smallest, then write it in ascending order, smallest to big. Descending order, biggest to smallest, the reverse order. That is, first you need to find the numbers which in correct order and write it in descending. Next, write the greatest and smallest numbers that you can be formed using the set of digits. Some numbers are given. Using that numbers, you need to find the greatest and smallest numbers. So, only while writing the smallest numbers alone, 0 won't come first. You can write 0 in either 0 in the second place. If 2 0 comes, you can give zeros in the second and third places. Thank you, my dear children. Hope you are comfortable with your portions, and may God bless you.